Hi everybody, today I'm going to be repairing these painted faded headlight. I bought them really cheap. I bought them $20 for both of them. But as you can see, they've been painted and then it's not that good. You can see paint drip and overspray like right here. Whoever had these didn't do a good job of restoring them before I start painting them, and then just didn't paint them that well. So I'm gonna sand them and I'm just gonna buff them out. So I installed them, and then to be honest, they don't look too bad from far away. But close up, you can see how bad they are. I was gonna take out the headlights, but it seems to be easier this way. Here I'm using 320 grit. I usually use, higher grits like 800, but since this has been painted and I'm trying to get rid of the clear coat before I buff it, I'm gonna use a lower grit. These are what I'm going to be using. Obert. So I'm going to cut it first and then I'm going to polish it. So this is what it looks like doing it by hand. And as you can see, there's still some fine scratches here. It does look really nice doing it by hand, Unless the light hit it just right, you won't be able to see these fine scratches. I say it's fine doing it by hand, and I would keep it this way. But I have a buffer, so I'm going to buff these out and show you guys how clear it could be. how long does it last? I did do it on my TSX, and it's been over 1.5 years now, and it's starting to get a little yellow again. But then it's not bad. Still look pretty decent. I have tried painting it a while back, and in my experience, painting it lasts longer. I painted with the 2K clear coat on my parents' RAV4, and they had it for 5 years, and it still looked brand new. So it just that it takes more prep. You can't do it in cold weather like this, so keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it. That's the only con. The pros is it lasts really long when you paint it, at least in my experience. But then you can't mess up. Like the person I bought these headlight from, if you messed up and you have these paint drip, then when you turn on the light, it deflects the light into different directions, and you can't really see in the dark. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.